Hi guys, we're staying in Agadir, Morocco, Jetsakan, and we're staying on Mohammed Al Fasi Road in Ibn Zahra Apartments. So this is our complex, it's a private complex, and there's a lot of apartments here, some privately owned and some are on Airbnb. Right, so let's go out and tour Mohammed Al Fasi Road. Just leave the apartment now. And we're on the first floor, so it's got a flight of stairs downstairs. Very nice and clean. And here we go, you can see the sun shining already. Just straight out of the front door, and we'll literally be on Mohammed Al Fasi Road. So amazing apartment and amazing location. So all that noise that you're hearing in the background, it's because it's Ramadan. A lot of the shops are closed and they are getting the shops renovated. That's why all the noise. Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Yeah, we're in Agadir, Morocco, Jetsakan, Susamasa. How we doing it? Arabic style. Monday morning, a little bit quiet, but yeah, it's happening. We're in Morocco and everything's happening. Blue sky, mashallah, beautiful weather. Yep. So because it's Ramadan at the moment, majority of the shops are closed up until about 2:30, and then it all opens up until iftar. So that's why you'll see that a lot of the shops are closed at the moment. Yep, this is Mohammed Al Fasi Road. It's approaching the orange shop now. As you can see, palm trees everywhere. There's construction going on. I'm going to just step down here. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, this road is pretty huge. Goes from all the way back there to all the way there. Our famous butchery, just setting it up now. Yeah. See, all the shops are closed today. So Ramadan, open later on. And then close at iftar. And then open at Tarawih. Famous Frank's burgers, amazing food there. Blue sky, baby. I'm going to take a left here the famous strip. There's our hair salon, local and that. Yep. Cross over. And that's the strip there. The boys. Walk here, alhamdulillah. Switch around, mashallah, yeah. So this is the strip where it's absolutely buzzing at night, yeah. It's just crazy. And everybody's got stalls outside selling food, jewelry, clothes, you name it, they're selling it over here. And all the shops are open as well. Very, very busy after Tarawih. They're all out in force, and everyone's chilling, enjoying themselves, having a great time. Mashallah, very peaceful and very friendly, alhamdulillah. Yeah, so good, mashallah. Got a few stray dogs here, just relaxing, just homeless, this guy is. Yeah, always comes every night to another orange shop there. There's our meat shop, sells amazing meat. And then this is our food apartments. This is where we stayed last time. Go straight down, take a right. Our entrance is there, mashallah, beautiful apartment and very good location, because as soon as you come out, boom, you're in the strip here of the main area where everything's happening. You can probably be able to see here all the fruit and veg. It's already started. Yeah, it's a little bit early, but yeah, this side also, you can walk all the way up there and go all the way down. If you could take a right, get onto the main road. Alhamdulillah, so good, mashallah. Okay, so basically we're gonna go across the road and see these guys are driving some big bad boy cars, you know. I'm messing about here. They're doing it, like they say, doing it Arabic style. And that's the meat shop. Dinde ex Dinde. That's where we have our food and that. Okay, just try and not get people in the video that I don't want to be in, because obviously got to respect where you're at. So, pajamas, there's a lot of pajama shops here, yeah, selling pajamas. My guy over there making some bread there, and then yeah, there's just a lot of pajama shops here. Yeah, still a bit early, it's Monday, Souk al-Had is closed, and so I think everybody's just like their holiday day, one day, rest. There's another butchery shop over there. Again, yeah, just gotta respect when people are about, especially women who don't want to be in the video, so we try and just face it down or face it away from them again, yeah. Look, the sky's kind of coming out now. Sun's kind of coming out, blue sky, baby. Yeah, another apartment. I think that's our entrance from the back. Yeah, apartment 20. I think it's this one. Have a look, the G-Wagon there at the back. Oh no, that's not ours. That's somebody else's. Yeah. There you go. See, it's nice and peaceful at the moment. Yeah, beautiful. There you go. Selling all types of biscuits and stuff. See, this guy sells all kinds of desserts from his car. Normally open later on before iftar, and then after Tarawih. But look at the car. Sick car, isn't it? Not that level. So you'll be able to see the strip here, the mountain there. If you go there, you can see the mountain there. See it? Beautiful. It's on the sky today. Yeah. Boom. Oh, yeah. Apartments, and just respect people are walking and stuff like that. So people are walking down. Assalamu alaikum. So these are the shops here. Yeah, they're just all these clothes here. 20 dirham, 15 dirham. Yeah. Good fashionability here. Yeah, see that. Ramadan Mubarak. Alhamdulillah. So all this means basically that there's a sale on. That's how it rocks here. There's quite a few nice bio-organic argan oil shops just out there. See this here. Could walk down there as well, yeah. Let's just check out here. This place, what we're going to do here now. Yeah. Another laundrette here. Inshallah. So good. So yeah, so we're just approaching this place where we had me and Mum. We had like a panini. They call it tacos here. Alhamdulillah, so good, mashallah. Yeah, it's called Yao Yao. We're just gonna go check it out. Just maybe take a small video. It's closed at the moment, but somewhere over here is called. Some people are there. Oh yeah, there it is. So that's the lari. That's the called Yo Yo. There we go. And that's the lari there. See, it's called Yo Yo fast food. It's the lari they have this contained over there, and then they sell food from it, mashallah, really good. Okay, we were kind of a bit, exposure was a bit closer, so anyway, we're gonna go this way, again, opticals, yeah, doing it, okay, don't know what that was, but that's what they say now. Okay, bismillah, there we go. Orange, avocado, mangoes, strawberries, bread over there, inshallah. So this area here is where we normally come to get our bread and stuff. Yeah, there's a lot of places here. They all do fresh baked bread. Yeah. And then we got tailors over there, which we're going to cross over without getting knocked over. And then tailors like these, they just sew anything for you, bro. Fix anything, and cheap, bro. Alhamdulillah. They'll even do your shoes. This is a shoe place. Repair. Crazy, mate. Not even joking, can't lie. Literally will fix anything. Next level. Little budgies. That's where we've just come from. Just Pharmacy. All these onions, these are shops that we get from. And this is a place here where we get our naan katai and stuff from. Yeah, they make it over here. Famous place, this one, yeah. But I think they're still preparing themselves. But yeah, gonna go back up the road. So yeah, that was a little glimpse of where we're staying. Hey Salam, Jessakan, and the area around here. Obviously, quite a few places, shops are closed, but it's Ramadan, obviously. Like they say, Ramadan Kareem. But come 2 o'clock after Zuhr, everything goes crazy, everything opens up for everybody. And then, like I said before, iftar, it all closes, goes absolutely dead, you don't see a car in sight. And then after Tarawih, it goes busy again, alhamdulillah. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Let's go up to the main road now. Okay, yeah. It's gotta keep the respect here, do you know what I mean? La taqlaq. You know what I'm saying? Now, this is our apartment area at the back there. That's where we're staying. It's up behind. And we're doing it, like I said, Arabic style. So, might recognize this back on the main strip. Muhammad El Fasi. Orange shop there. We're going to take a right here. Alhamdulillah, but that was a bit fast. So there's enjoy. Go that way. This is a very popular shop on Muhammad El Fasi Road that sells fresh honey. Yeah, and it sells other fragrances and other oils as well, like argan oil. Right, that was it for today, guys, and hopefully there'll be more videos to come. For now, we're just gonna relax and chill out. See you on the next one.